All right, welcome back. This video is designed to show you how you actually make money in Forex, or how do these guys, your banks, your Federal Reserves, your central banks, and other financial institutions, how do they actually make money trading Forex? Right? In the previous video, I told you that all these financial institutions do trade Forex. Please, if you have not watched this video, please do well to follow the series up. All right, check it out. So now, how do we go straight right up into it? I'm just going to be showing you how we make money in Forex. All right. Now, if you have stayed up to this point, I want to appreciate your patience, because this is a really interesting game. This is one of the things that will step up your financial life. All right. So please take this part of the course very serious, because this is actually the main deal. How do you make money? All right. So let's go straight. Now, let's take, for example, you are a Nigerian and you wanted to go to the US, and you had 400,000 naira. You had 400,000 naira, and you want to go to the US to, for luxury, to spend, and stuff like that. And when you got there, when you got to your travel agent, you saw that you can't use this naira down in the US, so you have to convert this naira to the United States dollars. So they gave you the exchange rate at 1 USD is currently, as at that time, was 400 naira. All right. So what do you simply do? You have to convert your 400,000 naira down to USD. How do you do that? You simply just you divide your money you have with the exchange rate, which is 400, and that will give you approximately, that's 1,000 USD. So your 400,000 naira gave you 1,000 USD. All right. So what do? You went to the US, you enjoyed yourself, but you didn't spend your money. You had friends down there that spent everything. They paid for your bills. They made you feel at home and stuff like that. They are cool friends like that. I hope you know that. So, all right. Now, you spend up to like 2 years there without spending a dime out of your 1,000 USD. And you decided to come back after an explicit visit down to the US. Okay. So now you have 1,000 USD. You are back in Nigeria, and you want to, because in Nigeria you can't use the United States dollar, so you have to convert it back to your Nigerian naira. So you went to your travel agent, and they told you that the current rate of naira is now is no more 400, but 1 USD is now going to give you 1,200 naira. Wow, that's massive, right? Yeah, it is. So the problem is, this is what confuses people. When people see that the rate has changed, it is now 1 USD to give you 1,200 naira. All right. So when people see this, they say, "Oh, the naira has gained value." No, it is not the naira that gained value. In Forex, when you have your the other one, any currency you have that is increasing in relative to another currency, it is that particular currency that's decreased in value, because it's supposed to be that means right now you are seeing that the United States dollars is more valuable than the Nigerian naira, because you can see the exchange rate, because you can see now that previously 1 USD could only buy 400 naira, but now 1 USD can buy 1,200 Nigerian naira. You can see that down here. So now that's massive. You saw that, and you gave your travel agent you had, don't forget, you had 1K dollars. That's $1,000 you had. Okay, so you want to convert it back to naira. So what do you simply do? You are going to multiply your 1,000 by your 1,200, the exchange rate. So that will give you 1.2 million naira. So when you did your conversion, you saw that the 1,000 USD you have currently gave you 1.2 million naira. That's massive. Yeah, that's how you make money in Forex. So what is your profit then? Okay, you had initially, this was the money you had initially, 400,000 naira. But when you went to spend your vacation after 2 years and you came back, this is now what you have. So what's your profits? That's simply 1.2 million minus 400,000. So that's 800,000 naira. So you made 800,000 naira when you came back. Cool money, right? Yes, that's exactly how you make money in Forex, right? But the point is, you can't just be going from one travel agent to another. Yeah, the issue is fixed. That is why I'm here, to show you the simplest way you can make money just sitting right at your home doing these transactions. And I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be doing this with your phone, with your laptop, everything. This is really cool, right? All right, don't forget to subscribe also, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I release my next video. Please, I want you to take this video seriously because it's going to enhance your financial life. Something of that is short. So, all right, so sit back, enjoy as I cut the cutting here. Thank you.